crypto gambling market has grown billions upon billions of dollars in these past few years. Chances are you have probably tried playing in one of those casinos, and chances are as well that you probably lost. But what if I told you that there is an upcoming crypto gambling hub that is taking a different approach in the industry? They're not only here to take, but to also give back. Sounds interesting? Well then, let's dive straight into BillionAir. Here we are on their website, and without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. So, the ultimate web-free gambling and learning hub. Gambling is redefined to become the house with unprecedented rewards, endless possibilities, and cross-community bridge building. Raffles, games, betting, it's all here. Straight away, we can see that they are audited by solid proof, and we can check this audit out in full detail all over here. I'll leave this link down in the description if you're interested. Then on the right side of the website, we can see that there is an ongoing pre-sale of AirB tokens, and AirB is their native platform or ecosystem token, whatever you want to call it, but it's basically the main token of the project. We can see that this pre-sale has managed to raise over $3 million already, and if it reaches 4 million, well then in 4 days and 14 hours, the price will rise and it will continue move on with this pre-sale. Here you can see some of the payment methods which we can use to participate in pre-sale if we want to, and even use our Visa card, which is very interesting. And then we can see a guide on how we can buy, as well as a 5% referral link. For every purchase your referral makes, you'll receive 5%. Here you have some of their partners, and then we can see that BillionAir is a revolutionary, multi-layered blockchain gambling platform. BillionAir is a trustless and secure blockchain ecosystem, giving you a chance to own a piece of an exponentially growing industry and get a share of the revenue from its an exceptional combination of gaming, betting, and a unique raffle solution offering unparalleled excitement and utility to global audiences. So not only will it be a crypto gambling hub, it will also build its own native blockchain where it will be hosting the casino on for faster and cheaper transactions, which is very cool from their side. You don't want those huge Ethereum fees bothering you on every transaction you make. It has unique and immersive ecosystem. The centerpiece of their economy is the AirB token and NFT ticket, working seamlessly with their platform and its buyback, burning, and staking mechanisms, making it an ecosystem full of value and opportunity that will keep both earning you and keep you entertained. So it will have several systems implemented to keep the ecosystem rolling, such as buyback, burning, and staking mechanisms. Here we can read more about their staking as well as their tier system. Now, if you stake Airbnb, they'll earn rewards from their massive token pools and a share of their platform revenue. Maximize the benefits by climbing the tier system to receive higher API, lower fees, and greater odds of winning raffle prizes with their ticket multipliers. So, if you hold 10,000 tokens of Airbnb, you'll receive the silver rank, giving you 60% API and a 2x multiplier for your raffle tickets. They'll be hosting raffles where you'll be able to win some awesome prizes. Now, as for the gold rank, you'll have to pair a minimum of 50,000 AirB tokens. For this, you'll receive 100% APR, as well as a 4x multiplier for your raffle tokens. And if you're holding 100,000 AirB tokens, you'll receive the diamond rank, giving you 240% APR, as well as a 6x multiplier. Now, what are these raffles and games betting? Well, their platform offers a huge range of games and prizes without any limitations or borders. Whether you prefer chance-based or skill-based games, gambling games, or raffles, they give you the opportunity to make your dreams come true. You can win assets like tokens or NFTs, as well as physical goods such as cars, watches, and electronics, and even unforgettable trips and experiences. So guys, these raffles could be life-changing to some people, and keep in mind you'll be entered into those raffles with any amount of tokens you are holding, so there's a lot to gain and very little to lose. They're providing utility and entertainment to other Web3 projects as well, while solving a common issue many projects face: how to provide more value and fun to their token holders, while their unique gaming solution will be available to all Web3 projects open the joint platform, offering them new ways to fundraise and burn their tokens from over collections, entertain their community, and connect with others. So as a gambling hub, even offering other Web3 projects and games to build on their blockchain, and in exchange those games will keep their communities entertained and make them better. Here we can see how BillionAir performs versus the competition, such as Stake.com, Redefined, Always, some of the biggest crypto gambling hubs out in the world. Here you can see that it outperforms them in every level. It has physical and spiritual prices, affiliate model, utility token, profit sharing with all this deflationary tokenomic model, utility provider for other projects, and the list goes on. Here you can read more about their Airbnb token, so platform, white currency utilized for every transaction, including purchases, staking, and earning multipliers with built-in deflation, as well as our BillionAir NFT ticket. Here we have some key points on why we should choose Airbnb. Well, first of all, because of its utility. Second of all, because of its incentives. The holders receive a share of the platform's revenue, as well as the rewards, including staking benefits and climbing the tier system. Well, and lastly, the price appreciation. So of course, as the BillionAir ecosystem and the whole gambling market grows, the value and demand of Airbnb will grow with it as well. Again, we can need some backers and partners, so very well-known names we can see here, and we can also acknowledge that it's a member of Binance Accelerator program. Now, if you have done any research to what this is, well, you'll probably know that getting applied to it is very difficult. Thousands upon thousands of projects try to get applied for it every single day, but only a few get selected, and this project is one of those few. So this has to mean something, right guys? You can also see that the Airbnb token has a confirmed exchange listing on Bitmart, and then we need their official explainer video, which you can take a look at. If you want to, I'll leave this website link down below, so just scroll down and give this a look. Then we can see their tokenomics. The tokens will be spread out to a lot of different places, but most of them will go towards their pre-sale. Then we can see the contract, as well as the roadmap, which you guys can read more in depth on your own. There is not a lot of information here, but we are running out of time, unfortunately, so make sure to do this yourself. Now we have the press release, several blogs all about BillionAir, so some of those could be interesting to some of you guys, and then we can deepen our knowledge with their one-pager tokenomics, as well as their white paper. I'll have again all of these linked down below in the description. Then we meet their team, all docs. Of course, when you're running a project that's pumping millions of dollars, you must share your identity with the investors, otherwise who's going to trust you guys? Again, some of their partners, and then we are greeted with their giveaway, where they're giving away $500,000 as well as a Tesla. And how you can enter it? Well, you can click this button over here. You'll be taken to the page where you can see all of the instructions on how you can participate in the giveaway, as well as enter it and potentially win it. Here we have some frequently asked questions right now, but most of these questions we already covered in the video, so no problem. And then we are greeted with their fur as well as their social links. So guys, make sure to give them a follow if you're interested in this project. You always want to stay updated with the project's news and see them first. Now, with this being the end of the website, this will be unfortunately the end of the video as well. My personal opinion on the project, well, it's very unique. It will be taking a different approach than all of the different crypto gambling websites in the world. We can see that it has already raised a substantial amount of money to get started, and it is already gaining a good amount of interest. So participating at this stage of the pre-sale is not a very bad choice. With the meme coins like AI Doge raising tens of millions of dollars, you could still be early to this one, and the price appreciating on every stage, you could get a lot of profit from this. So guys, let me know your personal opinions about the project. Let me know if you like it or not, but if you liked the video, make sure to give this a thumbs up. As always guys, again, thank you for tuning in into another one of my videos. Make sure to stay safe, and good luck to you investing in DeFi. I'll catch you in the next one.